What's up everyone, this is CryptoWolf. Welcome back to the channel, and today we will take a look at the REBUS airdrop because we have some issues with the liquidity pool. If you watched the previous video 3 weeks ago, I show you how to claim and stake your REBUS airdrop, and all the information that you need you will find in those videos. Go watch this right now if you do not know what we are talking about. But today we will go to the Twitter of Rebuschain, and you will see right here, if we go down, where was the first time they had some troubles. Come on, what is this? As you can see right here, on October the 3rd, they had some problems with the liquidity pool on the Osmosis platform. So we cannot sell nor buy the token itself. We could see the price, you can see that in my previous video, but for now we cannot do this anymore. If we search for the REBUS token, you will not find it. So yeah, for now we are just staking, but for everyone who is already staking on the dApp itself, the rewards are now working. So we are now from 1 October, 10 days, we are earning rewards. So go check the page if your rewards are showing up, yes or no. If not, you should take a deeper look and contact support of the Rebuschain. So yeah, the only thing that I'm doing for now is just accumulating, claiming, and I will restake my tokens. But that's it for now. I'm not selling anything because it's not able. If it's able to start selling again, I will leave a comment under this video, so make sure to check it in time. But I will pin the comment so that everyone can see it. Also, do not forget to claim your rewards in time and compound them or hold them on the sides. When the liquidity is added, then you can sell these rewards if you want to sell them. You can see the latest update right here. They have been listening to your feedback and we want you to know it's making a difference. They are currently working on a proposal where the community will decide if we should fund the liquidity pool 813. The proposal should go live no later than tomorrow morning. So this proposal, let's take a look at it. Where will the proposal come? So as you can see right here, if you go to Kepler and you choose the Rebuschain, you can see we have a staking APR of 504%. That's really good. It's like EVMOS in the beginning. Now EVMOS is only 170% anymore. So make sure to stake in time, take the opportunity with this one, compound, and then later on start selling rewards if you want to. Or you can hold this as a moonback for when we have better uptrend crypto bull runs in the future, because now we are still in a downtrend, still in a bear market, and I think this month can be very, very important. And I think there will be a last black swan event just like COVID in 2020 March the 12th, and we will have a massive drop in the stock market, crypto market, and the overall economy in the world. And after that we will start consolidating. People will start accumulating crypto again at a very low price, especially the whales, the institutions, and then we will get ready for a next bull run. So you know what to do with Rebuschain. Just stay updated to my channel, put on your notifications, I will keep you updated, or make sure to join the community on the Telegram that I have made. And here I will share a lot of things. As you can see, something very important right here. This article, they're explaining that maybe there is a potential that in 2023 we can already have the halving of Bitcoin. If you're following this, people, you can see right here that the estimated time is March 21, 2024 that the next halving will be. But this article that I dropped in the community, my Telegram channel, that you should join if you want to be a part of the community, and I keep you updated with a lot of crypto news, opportunities, and potential trades. So this article is explaining that it's possible it's happening in 2023. And if you want to know why and all the details, please go read this article, join our Telegram group. I will leave a comment under this video. Also in the description, you will find a link for the Telegram group. Also, this is not, you cannot write anything right here. This is just information, but you can always give a comment right here. And if you give this comment, it will come in this group. We have 410 members strong right here and 52 right here. So let's grow this community and let's get bigger in crypto, because the opportunities will be insane. Do not get left behind in this time. All right? I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.